Do you hear that? It's the wall. It's inside the wall.
It's lower now, or hold still.
It's copying me. It's breathing when I breathe. Back up, back up.
Did you see that? It pushed back. It's moving left, living room. I don't talk loud, keep filming.
It's louder in here. Shine on the TV.
No, did you? I didn't touch it. That's us.
There's someone behind us. It's empty. It's only in the TV. It moved. I swear it moved.
Hallway, now!
That was not there.
It's carving. It's carving its way out.
Stop, please stop.
Go, to bedroom now! Inside!
It's breathing the room. Don't breathe with it. Don't. Please stop. Please stop.
Back, get back!